Your turn.
Hey, Dad, you have a two and a dog.
No, I don't. Go fish.
Ow.
Good.
That hurt. I got a door.
Oh, don't tell me. Okay, Hayden, do you have a 6?
No, Dad. Go fetch.
Your turn.
Hey, Dad, you have a dog and a 2.
A 5?
And a 2. There. Oh, yay. I got a dog and a 2.
Well, you have a, yeah, that's a 5. Put it down.
Dog and a 2.
All right, your turn again.
Okay. Hey, Dad, you have a door.
No, go fish.
Oh!
Hayden, do you have a 6?
No. That's
You're really... Oh, I got him. Your turn.
Hey, Dad, you have a door.
Nope, go fish.
Ow.
Come on.
Ouch. Ouch.
Do you have a 3, Hayden?
No, go sit down.
Your turn.
Ow. Hey, Dad, you have 2.
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Is that all your cards?
Yeah.
You won again.
I only have none. I only have.
That was good.